Welcome to Villa Maria Academy. Together we will go on a virtual tour of our awesome campus and give you an idea of what an average day at Villa is like. Here is the entrance to Regina Mundy Hall, home to the chapel, cafeteria, guidance office, sophomore and senior homerooms, and our famous Villa cookies. This is the cafeteria. Lunch periods range from 3rd to 6th period. Lunch is a perfect time to catch up with friends, eat our amazing food, and take a break from the school day. The 20-minute bell, or the last 20 minutes of the lunch period, is a great time to go to the computer labs, meet with teachers, or study for tests. Here is the main office. You can come here if you have lost something, if you have to hand in an absent note, or if you need to make a phone call. Our secretaries are always busy answering calls, but take the time to answer our questions and offer a friendly smile or conversation. This is the guidance department. The staff here will be able to help you with your course selections and eventually help search for colleges. This is one of the 3 lovely computer labs on campus. If you have a computer class or want to catch up on a project, this is the place to be. Mrs. Sweeney, our computer teacher, is always available for help. Our beautiful chapel is always open. There are times for group prayers and Eucharist on Wednesdays. Praying for our families in peace is always a priority. Mrs. Napoli, our admissions director and freshman guidance counselor, will always find time to help you out with any questions or concerns. She will be very active in your freshman year and help you get acquainted with our school. Ms. McCartney directs our school activities such as assemblies and pep rallies like the magazine drive. When you need a dance ticket to a mixer or want to find out about monthly events, this is the place to go. These are the offices of Sister Carmel, our principal, Mrs. McNamara, the director of curriculum and instruction, Sister Marie Claire, our campus ministry director, and Sister Helen Loretta, our treasurer. Every day they are hard at work getting everything in order for the busy months ahead. Sister Carmel is always busy managing and running Villa Maria Academy. Sister Marie Claire can always be found directing music ministry or participating in our prayer services and masses. Sister Helen Loretta manages the financial aspect of Villa wonderfully.
This is the famous room 316, our study hall. Study hall is the best. It's a perfect opportunity to study for last-minute tests and to get a jump start on homework so you don't have to worry about it during sports or music practices.
The locker rooms can house our books and are very popular for storing blazers so that we do not forget them for assemblies. This is the 2nd floor of Regina Mundy. These are mostly history and religion classrooms. If you have a pass, you can spend study halls in the library, or you could come to do a research for a project. Mrs. Doherty, our librarian, will be here to help as well. French and Latin are 2 of the languages offered at Villa. Not only do we learn the language, but study the history and culture as well. That's it for Regina Mundy Hall, but the Marian Center is just a short walk away. Ta-da. The Marian Center is where musicians and artists are taught, where they practice, and where they do their finest work.
Room 2007 is the rehearsal hall. Music groups such as handbells, chorus, and magicals rehearse here throughout the week. This is also where lectures and some classes take place.
It is in our beautiful auditorium where winter and spring concerts, as well as mass and school assemblies, take place. If you are an art student, you will love the atmosphere of the creative art classrooms. Our teachers, Mrs. Brown and Miss Devine, can always be found here. Now we are in the gym, part of the Marian Center and home to our fantastic Villa Maria Hurricanes. In the fall, volleyball games and practices are held here, and in the winter, you can find the basketball team on the floors. Throughout the entire school year, the gym is used for gym classes. Aren't we lucky? A gorgeous field for the field hockey and state-of-the-art track. If the weather is nice, we even have gym classes out here.
This is the infamous Villa Pathway. We have about 5 minutes to walk to and from class. This is the perfect opportunity to talk to friends, take a short break from the hectic day. We get to enjoy the sunny, warm weather on good days, and on rainy days we get to enjoy huddling under big umbrellas and laughing as we get wet.
On the way to St. Joe's, we pass the tennis courts. You can see our tennis teams practicing through summer into the fall. During the spring, Devon boys can be spotted practicing here as well. St. Joseph's Hall is home to our science and math classrooms, as well as some language rooms and freshman and junior homerooms.
Our science labs are all stocked with microscopes, beakers, and Bunsen burners necessary for biology, chemistry, physics, and other science labs. We also have software for computerized virtual labs. Safety first.
Sister Patricia Spangler, our vice principal, has an office in this building. She will always be around if you have any questions or just want to stop by for a chat. It is in this room that freshmen are studying Romeo and Juliet, poetry, and the Odyssey. Teachers always make time to help you out on those tough geometry, algebra, or calculus problems. Miss Coughlin, the Dean of Students, has students visit frequently. Hopefully, the only reason you would come here is to drop off an absent note and not to receive detention. After a tough week, it is great to relax in the beautiful Italian gardens. Freshmen can be seen performing scenes from Romeo and Juliet out here. Long-standing villa traditions, such as daisy chain, commence each year to these gardens as the current senior class counts down from the school's conception in 1872 to the current year. Finally, our last and most important stop, the convent. This is the home to many of our wonderful IHM sisters. They work incredibly hard to make our time at Villa as fantastic as possible, and they love to be a part of all the hustle and bustle of Villa Maria Academy. Hopefully, this video has given you insight into the daily life of a Villa student.
We hope you decide to come and spend your high school careers with us,
The Villa Maria community.